more than 300 leaders and representatives of farmer and fisher organizations, NGOs, from the government, and also from the academe, gathered to honor the smallholder farmers and fishers who feed our country. Today, we are gathered again to reflect on how far we have moved and acted upon the Quezon City Declaration.
Having generated lessons after discussing good practices on the three themes such as sustainable agriculture and climate resiliency, enlarging farmers market and agri-cooperatives.
Kung matugunan itong tatlong komponent na ito, palagay namin magiging masaya, maunlad ang ating mga maliliit na mga magsasaka.
Through these exchanges, we will be able to improve and enrich our efforts further so that we can improve our productivity to address food security, improve our market positions, and enhance our efforts to cope with climate change.
We will actively promote and undertake climate-resilient agriculture.
Yung ating magsasaka ay makapag-adapt ng mga appropriate technologies na makakalaban sa mga drought, sa mga El Nino, mga bagong mga sakit na yun dahil sa climate change.
We want them to adopt a climate-smart agriculture.
We will enlarge farmers' market power.
Isa sa nakita namin dito is yung support ng government for market. So parang full value chain support from production to marketing.
Bali, yung DSWD, meron kaming supplementary feeding program na pwedeng matap yung mga beneficiaries din na farmers and fisher folk na mag-supply ng mga food items sa supplementary feeding program.
Para yung produkto ng ating mga maliliit na pamilyang magsasaka ay direktamenteng bilhin ng mga feeding centers.
We will strengthen capacity for our agri-cooperatives.
Ang titingnan ng gobyerno, they have to strengthen yung mga maliliit na mga kooperatiba para lumakas din. Ma-unify sila para yung direction at saka yung kanilang action, pati na ang negosyo, pare-pareho.
Dapat lahat magtulungan. Hindi lang kaya ng magsasaka lang. Kailangan din ng suporta ng gobyerno, ng mga CSOs, maging farmers organization man tayo, agricultural cooperative tayo, mahalaga yung collective organized action.
We remain committed to pursue the imperatives of asset reform, fundamental to the blossoming of climate-resilient, sustainable, and entrepreneurial family farmers.
We want to focus on our smallholder farmers because we know that even as small groups, when combined, they could be a vital source for food production.
Nós achamos e temos certeza que não existe nenhuma atividade mais importante para a economia, para a saúde, para qualquer país, como a atividade agrícola. Sobreviver sem ter a agricultura e, com certeza, a agricultura familiar como a base de sustentação da economia.
The producers are the hands that feed the world. It's important to help them and also to strengthen them.
Kung hindi natin titiyakin na sila ay mananatiling kikita at magiging sustainable, makakahulugan niya ng kawalan ng trabaho at sila man ay maaaring mawalan ng kakainin in the future.
One of the important roles that the government fulfills is continuing the policy and program discussions also on climate change. We build the capacity of farmers to become climate resilient.
We will continue to make our programs gender sensitive and age sensitive.
Sa itong window para magkaroon ng magandang kabuhayan ang mga kababaihan.
I-ensure din ang mga matatandang magsasaka at mangingisda dahil lumiliit na daw ang mga nagsasakang mga kabataan. They're not anymore attracted doon sa pagfa-farm.
Tayo po ay nagkaroon ng Quezon City Declaration noong nakaraang taon kung saan ating inilagdag ang mga kaukulang polisiya, programa, proyekto at iba pang mga panukala
in making this Magna Carta for young farmers, we develop projects that concern the issues of rural youth are embedded.
This is the only way we could invite young farmers to study agriculture and to stay in agriculture.
Upang mapataas ang antas ng kontribusyon naming mga maliliit na kabataan, kababaihan at kalalakihang magsasaka at mangingisda.
We will jointly lobby for the United Nations to build on the gains of the 2014 International Year of Family Farming by asking our national government to ensure a declaration of an international decade of family farming.
These kind of events that are being organized by IFA, the government and the farmers are very relevant to showcase that we have a common agenda when it comes to rural development.
Pagkatapos po ng ating pagdiriwang ng closing ceremonies last year, ay yung pong International Year of Family Farming ay ginawa na pong isang dekada ng pagdiriwang ng family farming.
This is a chance for us to get together with other similar organizations to discuss the future, what we can do next, and also bring our farm organizations together and share experiences and make sure that we go on the same track.
Nasa katatagan po ng mga pamilyang nasa sakahan ang seguridad ng pagkain sa ating bansa at sa buong mundo.
Therefore, the government will continue to take on its duty for rural infrastructure, strategic capacity building measures. Our programs in the support services are built on continuing organizational development and capacity development of our small farmers.
May bahagda ng pag-unlad mula dun sa maliitang pag-asaka at atrasadong kagamitan sa produksyon, umuulad ang buhay ng mag-asaka. Ito ang gusto ng ating pamahalaan para sa ating mga mag-asaka sa kanayon at mga mangingisda.
We will jointly advocate for the enactment of an executive order from the Office of the President that will institutionalize the KLMPA IYFF Technical Working Committee.
Our commitment is always for the smallholder farmers and fishers and working for the improvement in the rural communities. And I will push this into our agenda for 2016 that we will help institutionalize the KLMPA and the mechanism to really continue this advocacy for the smallholder farmers.
Aking pipilitin na maging expansive pa ito at ma-encourage, ma-enjoy yung iba pang ahensya ng pamahalaan na pwedeng makatulong sa ating mga magsasaka at mga mangingisda na mapaunlad pa ang kanilang kabuhayan.
Magpapalawak din po kami ng mga iba't iba pang mga NGOs na wala dito para tuloy-tuloy po natin na masabayan ang panawagan hindi lang ngayong taon kundi sa susunod nga po na 10 taon.
This activity should be made an annual activity and if possible, i-formalize through a resolution.
Tayo ay IYFF +1 ngayon. But if we have an administrative order to support this coordinating mechanism, I think we can really make full good use of it.
In this increasingly competitive environment, our partner family farmers need to be efficient, effective, and competitive in their production.
Ito po ay para sa aming kinabukasan. Nais po naming ipagpatuloy ang pagbibigay seguridad sa produksyon ng aming pagkain at pangangalaga ng ating kalikasan.
Tinatanggap natin ang hamon na iniwan sa atin ng mga kabataang magsasaka natin na sa taong 2016, gagawin natin ang lahat ng ating makakaya upang ito'y may sakatupar. Mabuhay ang pamilyang magsasaka!